So, magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Sa inyong lahat. Ito po pala si Diary from Motorcycle Rider Philippines. For today, I just want to share to all of you this lovely Yamaha YZF-R3 of mine. It was completed just a few weeks back. It's now race ready. Just look at that. Yeah. So I'm showing you what it looks like right now. And nagte-test ride lang po tayo, no? Because it's been like stock for 2 to 3 months. Yes. So ayun po, napakita ko lang po sa inyo. And yeah, let's do some sound check. Abangan nyo po later. So let's try this. Let's see how it rides. And hopefully hindi tayo mahuli. Dahil yeah, wala po tayong ilaw. Even at the back. Yes. So let's check it out. Nice one. So ayun po, no, itong aking YZF-R3, I have also, meron din po akong what do you call this, video na kung saan nag brief review ako dito sa motor na to. So yeah, I'm gonna use it for the racetrack. It's a dedicated track bike for me, or a DMRPH. And yeah, so a little bit of something for you guys. If you can design, or if you can you know, edit a photo of mine that has this Yamaha R3, and if you can edit the colors and the design, you will win DMRPH freebies. Plus, I don't know what else. Yeah boy! Tara! Miss na miss ko na siyang patakbuhin, ano? At may nakita tayo MMDA dun sa kanto. Yeah, so I was talking about DMRPH freebies. Yeah, kailangan ko po lumingon-lingon dahil wala nga po tayong ano, no? Turn signals, brake lights, headlights, or any kind. Wala, no? So yeah. So there. Sarap, man. Miss na miss ko na siya, no? Woo! I'm so excited to use it on the racetrack. As I was saying, DMRPH freebies include a sticker, a t-shirt, and a trucker cap. Yeah, so if you guys can edit What the? So yeah, I will give you a sound check. Muna tayo. There you go. I hope hindi tayo sagabal sa ibang tao. So yeah, again, my YZF R3 with full system Akrapovic exhaust, as you can see there. It has a muffler guard. It's an original Akrapovic exhaust hanger. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, there it is. And thanks for watching my diary, the diary of a motorcycle rider Philippines. And so far, hindi pa tayo nahuli. So ayoko na lumabas ng EDSA dahil syempre delikado na po, ano, dahil wala tayong ilaw. Ayoko nang tagarin yung pagpapasaway ko, no.